So this model here, full gigabyte. Here we got a camera that is connected, which is not gigabytes. We got 3 switches that are connected. All are gigabytes. You can see 1000 megabytes per second. This one we got only one uplink, 1000 megabytes per second. This is the other uplink, G9 here. Got the nano station that is connected, Ubukiti. This is 16 port, only uplink G2. 1000 megabytes connected to HP switch. And this one we got 2 uplink. Both are gigabytes. Okay. As you can see, this one is the highest is 100 megabytes. So the normal ports are not gigabytes. This 8 port is full gigabytes. So I can go up to 1000 megabytes per second. This is the watt, only using 5.9 watts. So it's good. This one we are using 22 watts. Okay. This one also using 22 watts. This one 23 watts.